You've heard the term AI agent a dozen times this month. Most explanations treat it like a chatbot or make it sound like science fiction. So here's what it actually is. A chatbot waits for your prompt, responds, and stops. And that's the key difference. An AI agent is given a goal and then works towards it across multiple steps, using tools, making decisions on the way, without you prompting it each stage. According to IBM, an AI agent is a system capable of autonomously performing tasks on behalf of a user or another system. The autonomy over a sequence of actions is what makes it structurally different. It's not smarter chat, it's a different category of software entirely. But what makes that autonomy possible? Three things separate an agent from a chatbot: memory, tool use, and multi-step planning. Memory means the agent retains context across the task, not just from the last message. Tool use means it can connect to external systems, things like your CRM, your calendar, your email. Multi-step planning means it sequences actions logically to reach the goal. So here's a concrete example. A sales lead comes in. An agent receives it, looks up the contact in your CRM, drafts a personalized follow-up email based on the lead's industry, sends it and logs the action. No human touches it between steps. That's not automation in the traditional sense. Traditional automation breaks when conditions change. An agent can handle variation, interpret context, and adapt within defined parameters. But that adaptability does cut both ways. Autonomy is the feature and the failure mode. An agent deployed into a workflow that requires human judgment at a step will produce unpredictable outputs. It will fill gaps with assumptions. It will act on incomplete data as if it were complete. The risk isn't that agents are unintelligent, it's that they're confident. They will complete the task they were given, even when the inputs are messy or the goal was poorly defined. As the UK government's own AI Insights guidance note, complete autonomy can remove critical layers of human oversight. So, before you deploy one, there's a practical test you should run. Ask 3 questions about the workflow you're considering. Does it have a clear defined goal? Are the outputs consistent and reliable? And are the steps repeatable? If yes to all 3, an agent is absolutely worth exploring. If the workflow requires frequent human judgment, relies on incomplete or inconsistent data, or involves decisions with ethical or reputational consequences, then keep a human in the loop. This is a process design decision, not a technology purchase. The businesses getting value from agents right now aren't the ones chasing the technology. They're the ones who identified a specific repeatable workflow, defined it clearly, and then asked whether an agent could own it end to end. If that was of value, subscribe to the channel for one real business question answered every video. For the same clarity in writing, the website and newsletter is 5minutebusiness.com.